Yeah, I'm just trying to relax on my lunch. And I can never get this baby off me. I call her a Velcro baby because that's what she is. Like, she's always on me 24/7, 365. Like, I tried to make her more independent, especially since her little brother will be coming soon. And this girl, she won't stay off me. Mari, please get off of mommy. Please. Please get off your mama. Thank you. Please get off mommy.
No.
Please. Please.
No, no,
Please get off your baba. Please.
Mommy.
Please get off me. Yes, off me, please. Oh, thank you.
Mommy.
Yes, off me, please. Let's see how long this lasts, guys. Yes. Thank you. Go finish watching Danny go, please. Thank you. Yep, Danny go. Okay, go watch Danny go. Thank you. Go ahead. Always gotta be on me, touch me. I just don't understand. Don't you ever go last long? Get off of me. Yes, off me. Yes, get off me. Thank you. Bye. Okay, enough. Thank you. Bye. Say bye. Bye.